Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the plugin is properly installed and visible to Logic, because otherwise nothing else matters. First, install the VST or audio unit into the standard Mac OS locations, then open Logic Pro and go straight to Preferences, Plug-in Manager to trigger a scan. Once done, make sure the plugin shows as validated. If not, rescan or reset the plug-in cache. This step prevents compatibility surprises and saves time later. When you load instrument, now you load and route the plugin so it actually makes sound. Create a software instrument track and click the instrument slot to pick your VST or O. Logic will instantiate the instrument inside the channel strip. Then route MIDI input and audio outputs. Assign the MIDI channel, enable input monitoring, and if needed, choose a bus or aux for effects. Also, adjust audio preferences, buffer size for low latency when tracking, higher for mixing, to balance performance versus CPU load. Finish by shaping the sound and securing system stability. Tweak the instrument's GUI or map parameters to Logic Smart Controls so you can play and record expressive moves. Then write or draw automation lanes for dynamic changes over time. When your session grows CPU heavy, freeze tracks or bounce stems to save processing. If something goes wrong, the quickest fix is to rescan plugins, confirm the format is audio unit, and validate the plug-in and plug-in manager. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.